Cold tar patching should not be attempted in freezing weather because low temperatures prevent proper curing and reliable adhesion. Cold tar works best when ambient and surface temperatures are above 10 degrees Celsius or 50 degrees Fahrenheit because the material needs warmth to flow slightly and bond. If you must work near that lower limit, pre-warm the patch material by storing it in a warm area and heat the pavement surface with a propane torch or hot water to remove frost and moisture. Clean the repair area thoroughly with a stiff broom and air blower or compressed air so the tar contacts solid substrate, and apply firm compaction with a hand tamper or heavy shoe to remove air voids and assist interlock. Feather the edges so the patch meets the surrounding asphalt to reduce water intrusion and use slightly more material than the hole depth to allow for settlement. If conditions remain cool, plan to revisit and recompact after 24 to 48 hours when the material has set more fully. Always keep a small sample of the batch to check tack and workability before committing to large repairs, and avoid using emulsion-based products labeled for warm weather only. Common problems include poor adhesion when surfaces are damp or frosty, which you fix by delaying work until the area is dry and above 10 degrees Celsius, or by drying the surface with heat. Another issue is insufficient compaction that leads to early raveling, so compact immediately with a heavy hand tool and recheck compaction the next day to top up and recompact if needed. Third is using the wrong material for deep voids, which you avoid by filling deep holes in layers, compacting each layer, or using a firm aggregate base before applying cold tar. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors suited to seasonal patching and other outdoor repairs, and helps contractors find work by listing project opportunities and encouraging direct contact. We host a discussion community where members share timing tips, product experiences, and installer recommendations so both homeowners and contractors can learn from real-world results.